The Lesher Teal was a remarkable American home-built aircraft created by Edgar Lesher, a University of Michigan professor of aeronautical engineering who combined engineering research with a passion for experimental aviation. Lesher's interest in pusher aircraft began with the Stinson Model 106 Skycoach, which he encountered while working with Stinson. The abandoned project left him fascinated by the idea of placing the propeller behind the cockpit. After attending an early Experimental Aircraft Association fly-in 1958, he decided to build his own aircraft. The result was the Nomad, a two-seat, all-aluminum pusher that first flew in 1961 after approximately 5,000 hours of construction. The Nomad became the foundation for Lesher's next project. In 1962, he began designing the Teal, a much smaller single-seat aircraft specifically intended to break Fédération Aéronautique Internationale Class C1a records for propeller-driven aircraft weighing less than 500 kilograms. Construction was completed in April 1965, and Lesher made the first flight at Willow Run Airport on April 28. The Teal retained the Nomad's 100-horsepower Continental O-200A engine and pusher configuration. Its streamlined, all-aluminum airframe featured retractable landing gear to reduce aerodynamic drag. Lesher designed an exceptionally simple mechanism that required 18 separate operations and about 2 minutes to retract. The aircraft had a wingspan of roughly 23 feet and a gross weight close to the 1,102-pound Class C1a limit. The Teal's performance soon proved its purpose. In 1967, Lesher established Fédération Aéronautique Internationale records for 500, 1,000, and 2,000-kilometer closed-course speed, reaching 181.55, 169.20, and 141.84 miles per hour, respectively. The record campaign was interrupted on May 6, 1968, when the Teal lost power near Ann Arbor. Lesher attempted an emergency landing, but the aircraft struck a tree and was badly damaged. Lesher survived with minor injuries. He later discovered that the engine had simply run out of fuel. After rebuilding the aircraft and returning it to flight, he established a 1,554.29-mile closed-course distance record in 1970. In September 1973, the Teal added 2 more speed records. Its final achievement came on July 2, 1975, when Lesher flew from St. Augustine, Florida, to Arizona. The 13-hour, 27-minute flight covered 2,953.89 kilometers, about 1,836 miles, establishing a new straight-line distance record for its class. Lesher had finally achieved his 7th and last world aviation record. For his accomplishments, he received the Fédération Aéronautique Internationale Louis Blériot Medal 4 times and was inducted into the Michigan Aviation Hall of Fame in 1988. He continued flying the Teal for years without pursuing further records. After Lesher's death in 1998, the aircraft was donated to the Experimental Aircraft Association AirVenture Museum in 2002, where this extraordinary record-setting home-built remains preserved as a testament to one engineer's determination to turn a personal project into aviation history.